friends, my name is Kim. Welcome back to Healing Place Cottage. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so happy to have you with me today. Today we are going to make a recipe from a book that I just got, Diabetic Living Quick and Easy Meals. And as you can see, I tabbed a lot of recipes in this, so I think we're going to have fun with this book. The recipe we're making today is on page 114, and it is called Pork with Pear Maple Sauce. I thought, whoa, that sounds very fancy, but very good. So the first thing we're going to do is cut our pork. We're just going to cut that into about 1/4 inch slices. Okay, I think we're good on heat. I'm going to add my pork to the skillet. And I'm going to top it with some Greek seasoning. And salt and pepper. And while that is working, I'm going to cut some pears. Okay, we're going to remove our pork chops, put those on a plate. And now we are going to combine pears, maple syrup, dried cherries, and wine, white wine. So we're going to put our pears in here. We're going to put, so it called for 2 pears and 2 tablespoons of dried tart cherries. And it calls for them to be halved, but I'm not cutting these in half. I think you know that. And then 2 tablespoons of dry white wine. You can substitute apple juice. And 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. That's probably 1/4 cup. And then we let this cook until the pears are softened and cooked through, and then we'll add our meat back in. So today I posted on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok that I was now down 60 pounds. So I started at 278 pounds, and I'm now down to 218 pounds. So 60 pounds down, and I'm very excited. I posted a picture of me at a birthday dinner. We had dinner at Red Lobster, and I was wearing my favorite shirt and my favorite jacket, and I'm just shocked by the difference when I look at those pictures, and I'm shocked by how much better I feel. I was one of those people that thought my weight wasn't a deterrent. It didn't stop me from doing anything, and but I'm just surprised by how much better I feel. So these recipes do work. And we can do it. You know, it's slow, It's gonna be, I guess probably, it's 8 months now, I think. May, June, July, August, yeah. So I think about September is when I started, August or September is when I started really focusing on my weight. Probably earlier than that. I think I probably lost my first 20 pounds around this time last year, but it was so slow. It wasn't super noticeable. It didn't change my pants size or anything. I bought a pair of, I thrift a lot, and I bought a pair of jeans, Old Navy boyfriend jeans at Goodwill in a size 18, and wore them this week, and they're too big. So that just shocks the heck out of me, and because I was in a 24. So it's definitely working. All the things that I'm doing that are aiding in this, eating better, I really, really have changed the way that I eat. I was a junk food eater. I was a fast food eater. I was a DoorDash queen, and my favorite thing to get was fish and chips with macaroni and cheese. It was from TJ Chumps. It was my absolute favorite. I did have a slice of pizza this week, and it was amazing. But when I was on vacation last week, I had my favorite. I thought, I'm going to do a splurge, and I was thrifting, and I was in a town north of where I live, and so I thought my favorite chili dog place, BK root beer stand. It's one of those that you drive up and they come out to your car. So I got a Spanish dog with extra onions, and I couldn't eat half of it. It made me sick, and it was just too much. And so that was disappointing, but definitely positive, that I'm now used to eating much healthier food. And yeah. Okay, let's give this a taste. Friends, this is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. I don't even know what you would eat with this. I mean, you could eat a little bit of buttered noodles, or you could eat a little bit of rice or orzo, but I'm not going to eat anything else with it. It is absolutely delicious. And you can see that it took no time. It was under 30 minutes for this meal. So let's look at the nutritional facts. And it's one thing I love about this cookbook is it gives you, right there, it tells you 29 carbs. So we're looking at, in a serving, 255 calories, 7 grams of fat. No, that's nothing. 60 milligrams of cholesterol, so under 100 milligrams, and that's what I need. 29 carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 19 grams of protein. So this, my friends, is an absolute winner. I will be making this dish for company because it is that good. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It really does help people find me when they're looking for diabetic friendly recipes. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern. Always diabetic friendly, always under 30 minutes of active cooking time, oftentimes low carb, keto, gluten-free, and sometimes vegetarian, and slow cooker as much as possible. I'm going to start using the Instant Pot soon. I have one, but I've been leery of using it, so we'll be doing that soon together. But anyway, I do hope that you enjoyed our time together today. I know I did, and I look forward to cooking with you again soon. Take care, friends.